teleporting to our camping spot. It's very beautiful landscape, as you can see. You can do water sports, or you can go for a run, walking, hiking, anything really. It's beautiful landscape, and it's easily walkable for the kids. They can even go on their own and swim, water sports, paddle boarding. You just have to bring your items and you are ready to have fun. This one is at the back, so we just checked in. Literally.
Now building up stuff.
Let's build up stuff so you know how it works. Let's get it done. Okay. I think
Mama,
it's
you're
better that you
filming
put it in
your
the back. Here, you do it. Warum nicht? Literally, those girls are not allowing me to be in any of the videos except I would be the video.
Hi.
Lily, you switch it off. Okay, everything is everywhere right now. We need the stair. Close it and open it.
This grass is soft.
Is this?
Wow, that is cute.
Yeah. Flags. And what are we doing with that? Okay, we are literally setting up right now. Just arrived in Switzerland. Yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. Everything is everywhere. I think we should get this down somehow. Just a little bit of space scarcity. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna come get it down. Okay, we are actually setting up now. We gotta get things out of in here. What do you want, Shani? What is that?
I really don't.
No. Let's wait one by one. Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff to unpack and to put back here in Switzerland. And
You're loving it so far? It's beautiful now. Look at
it's
this.
so pretty.
Yeah, very pretty. Okay.
Beautiful. Papa, what are you putting in the tomato sauce?
Spice.
Huh? Oh.
The master chef of the house.
Mama, look at my face.
Don't be silly. Silliness.
See. That makes sense. Perfect.
You love it?
High five. Are you okay?
What?
Are you sure?
So cool, Billy.
So big.
So big, man. Danke.
Are you a carnival? No. 7.8.
Did you have to go to the hospital, but you have to taste it?
Okay.
Terrible. Oli, very cold? Huh? Is it cold? Very cold? Okay. Lily, I'm gonna try it. It's gonna be.
I'm coming with.
Hi. You're gonna bother me. You're like really. Ew. Yeah, she really is. I'm telling the truth. She's cute, smiling, but I cannot say anything because you're awesome also. Alright? Look.
I'm white.
Is she? I'm gonna change.
Just like a puppy, like so like
For what?
yellow span.
What? Yeah.
Giga's dog is the cutest dog in the world.
In the world. Walk over there. Yeah. But everybody was smoking outside. Somewhere. What you given? You get back. Okay.
Oh my god.
So, day one, Switzerland. It's looking good. It's beautiful. I'm gonna share a couple of videos for you. Check it out. The fascinating view and every food experience and everything. Yeah. Okay. Going down. Hello. You guys are playing? You guys are playing?
Yeah?
So, we're gonna go grab dinner now. All dressed up and ready. I mean, cash. Alright. And walking to the beach restaurant. Yeah. It's a beautiful day. I think it's like 29 degrees Celsius right now. So, yeah. Alright. I'm gonna be on the plane before I fall down. Okay. Alright. Oh, I forgot to tell you what's the best part of all this trip is I am seeing my friends like maybe after, let's say, 12, 15 years. and super excited. They moved from Addis 4 years ago, so yeah, let's go get them. Sabda, obviously.
In the bush. Go away. It's okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, day 2, Switzerland. It's hot day today. It's kind of, we're getting the heat from Africa, wind on the wave thing. Yeah, so today it's only just 11 a.m. and it's quite hot. And I can see everyone is chilling. And yeah, amazing water sports actually. You can do paddleboarding. So all the stuff and staying hydrated. Actually decided to make but before I came here, so after my morning run and went out a little bit, yoga. After that, I really wanted to clean up, so I the utensils that we used to pass yesterday, last night, and I went to do it. And it just made me realize that people who come across in your life will teach you a lot of things. Who would be also a reminder. This person was in front of me just thinking, reminding me of being you. So, like, really being you. Sometimes we focus so much, like, especially when we travel, every country has its own rules and culture, acceptable norms and not acceptable ones. So sometimes when you are completely new, you have no idea. So I have no, even if it's similar to the German culture, I have no idea how, what would offend Swiss people and what would not, and what not to do and what to do. Yeah, I'm curious to learn. But then I think I got to learn being extremely polite, and in certain cases doesn't work to be polite so much. So, sometimes it's taken as weakness or case is or whatever. Sometimes you really don't have to do all that. You can just be you, but just be respectful. I think for a moment I just probably the sun is intense, as you can see. Oh. Yeah, it's going. And we plan to go to my friends who we just met yesterday. Yeah, it's so good to see them, and yeah, we're gonna have a barbecue time. You can call it bride, and I say bride. Yeah, looking forward to it. I'm gonna go swim a little bit and then pick up the girls and take a shower and get ready and wake up Habib. He's sleeping in today. I think it's nicely hot to just be in there. The water is really cold. Let's cool down the body. Okay, first sip of water though. Yeah, day 2 is going like this. And let's enjoy the rest of the homework.
The water is really nice. First of all, it's very cool. So you don't have to wash. And right there, like this ladder, you can climb out and so yeah.
Good story.
What's the white stuff?
It's the white stuff. And the chef area.
The floor is super hot.
Hot, hot. Eating, digging in, right? Whoops.
You give it, I tell you.
Oh no, give it to me. The hands. What is the other side?
Papa, on this one. Other one. Don't forget the monster.
That was a wonderful, beautiful day with our old friends. We had such a beautiful time. The girls, everybody, the boys had a beautiful time. It's now to go for a little bit of shopping and go back to our camping site and get a good night's rest. And tomorrow morning we are heading to Zinal. One thing we do on this trip, every time we buy wine, we buy from the region, and we're gonna taste the wine from every region, every place that we go to. So yeah, this is one of it. Very delicious and very good wine. Yeah, and call it a nice night. Good morning. Now we're just quickly cleaning up the car and getting ready and hitting the road.